Hello there and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. I'm so glad you guys are here today because I have some fun things to share with you. One of which is super amazing find that I have actually been looking for a couple of years. I never really knew if it actually existed, but I've been looking for it and I found one. So I'm super excited to share that with you. Of course, I'm going to save that for the very last. I also found some other fun things to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into today's haul. All right, I don't really know where to start. So we're just going to start right in the beginning here with the first thing that I can reach. So this item was $4.99. It is a metal 3D star. And I think it is super cool. It's very rustic looking in the fact that it's like wrought iron and it looks a little weathered, which I think is awesome. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love the shape, like the star shape is like one of my favorites. So I know stars are not as popular as they used to be, but I still love them. So when I saw this, I thought it was super cool. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a little hard since it doesn't have a backing, but I think this is super cool. So I'm going to try to find some place to hang this in my house. I think it would be really fun, like over a doorway or, I don't know, something like that. I will figure it out. At very least, I thought I could hang it outside on my potting bench for the summertime. I think that would be kind of cute as well. So I thought that was a great to find for $4.99. I went through the patterns. I've always looked through them, but very rarely do I find anything. But this week I found one. They were $1.99 and you get two of them. They're kind of stapled together. The first one looks like this, which I'm not really into. I'll probably redonate this one. But I really loved this one right here. It's a simplicity and it is for little girls' pajamas and robes. And it just reminded me very much of something that my mom made for my sister and I when we were little. And I just think it is so cute. I mean, look at the little sleeves, have like little lace on them, and it's just so adorable. So I just thought it was super cute. So I'm going to add this to my collection of vintage patterns. I didn't even look to see how old it is. I'm thinking 60s, but I could be wrong. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, I'm so sorry. 1974. You guys, that is the year I was born. That makes it even more exciting for me. So anyways, I just thought it was super duper cute and I just had to pick it up. So not that I'll probably ever make it, but it would be pretty cute to make. How adorable would something like that made out of vintage sheets for like a granddaughter or a niece or something like that. I think that'd be so much fun. Or for a kid, but I'm not planning to have any more babies at this time. So I guess I will have to wait a little bit for maybe my grandbabies. So anyways, I thought that was really cute. And then I picked up, the next thing I found was a little goodie bag of birthday candles. I realized when it was my birthday that we had no birthday candles left. I do not know what happened to them. Did I throw them away before we moved here? I just don't know. But I saw this little bag of them for $2.99, and it has a very dusty, nasty looking votive candle, which I could probably use. I'll have to clean it up a little bit in it as well. But it was $2.99 for this little package, and there's 3 sets of birthday candles in here. And I just think they're so cute. This is the first box. It's by Betty Crocker. These don't have any dates on them, but I'm thinking they're rather old. At least, you know, maybe 80s. This one's by Betty Crocker. And look how small these candles are. These look to me like they are made for those cake picks that hold candles. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? I have a couple of them myself. I know I have a couple flower ones. I've got some little bird ones, a couple clown ones. So I'm thinking that these candles will fit in there, which makes me super excited because the candles you buy at the store now don't fit in them. They're too large. So I'm super excited to maybe see if they will fit in there because that would be so much fun to be able to use those little candle picks. I think they're so cool. And then, oh, the dogs are going to be crazy at me. Then I have 2 matching packages. These are by Cake Mate. You see that? And these have cute little polka dots on them. These look a little newer to me, but at the same time, they are the smaller candles as well. And they both have, neither one of these packages have been opened, which I think is pretty cool. They're called confetti candles, so that's kind of cute. So I don't see a date on them at all. I don't know. But the fact that they're nice and skinny and they're actually useful candles is why I picked them up. So, and then I have one more package right here. Now these are adorable. These are made to look like color crayons. How fun is that? So adorable. These are made by the Signature Brands, LLC. There's the brand on the back. But I just thought they were really cute. I don't know if I'm going to actually open these. I think this would be fun to kind of decorate with, but I don't know. We'll see. Whether or not I use them or not, I think they would be fun to actually decorate with as well. Like if I'm doing like a baking themed little vignette for my kitchen or something, I could throw some of those candle boxes in with the mix, and I think it would look really cute. So, yeah. All right. Moving on to the next item. I went to the cookbooks. I have been wanting to revamp our meals here in the house because most of the stuff I make, we're just sick of what we've been eating lately. And I've been wanting to try a few more new things, which I have, but I'm of course always looking for some inspiration. So I went through the cookbook aisle at the thrift store hoping to find something that I thought would be worth picking up. And I found one. This one was $3.99, and it is the Williams-Sonoma Family Meals. I've actually picked this book up at the library a couple of times, and I have a couple of recipes that I kept from this book. So I thought, you know what? I should get myself my own copy of it, especially when it's only $3. So I'm excited about this. It has a lot of great pictures in it. And I don't know. It just has yummy looking stuff that is not like over the top. This is like basic kind of cooking. It's not like over the top and you need a whole bunch of, you know, like weird ingredients, which I don't like cookbooks like that. So this I think is going to be good. I mean, oh my goodness. I need to make these egg salad sandwiches. Doesn't that look yummy? Oh, you guys. So anyways, I thought this was going to be a good book. I cannot wait to go through it, start making a list of what I want to make from it, and try out those recipes. All right, so this next item, you guys, is sort of out of the box for me, but at the same time, it's something that I decided I wanted to start collecting, and I have a few already, and they are like our vintage planters, but they have to be in the shape of a cute little animal of some sort. I already have a bear and a couple lambs, that sort of thing, because I collect the lambs for using in the springtime for like my Easter decor. But I saw this little panda. It was only $2.99 and I had to get him. I mean, look at him. He is so cute. He's got a cute little area in the back to grow a plant in. He's so adorable. I just love him. He's holding like, it looks like he's holding like a little pineapple, like maybe a little pineapple drink or something. And he's got this cute little pink hat. He's just so adorable. So I had to pick him up. He does have some markings on the bottom. Looks like that. Looks like it says Relpo 6773. I don't know. But I just thought he was adorable. So I'm going to add him into my little collection of adorable little planters and that I love so much. So he's probably going to go on the shelf in my office like right after I get done filming this, because I have been waiting to film this video so that I could put him on the shelf next to the cute little bear that I already have. So I love this one. All right, guys, so that brings me to the very last item that I picked up this week, and I'm so excited. Like I mentioned earlier, it is something that I have been looking for a few years, and I didn't even know if it really existed. I knew it existed in different colors, but I'd never seen it in regular clear glass before. And it is a cookie jar, and it looks like this. Isn't it fabulous? I love it so much. This was $4.99. So these cookie jars are, I think, from the 70s, maybe the early 80s. I'm not really sure, but We had one like this in a yellow color sitting on our counter my entire childhood. Whenever Mom would make cookies, and my favorite cookies, the kettle cookies that she used to make, she would always fill it up with cookies and it would sit on the counter, and it was always a fabulous day when Mom made cookies. So it was a basic part of my childhood. I always thought that if I find one that's in a clear color, because I know that the one Mom had was yellow, and I've seen other ones at thrift stores in that green color that was popular in the 70s, but neither one of those colors really worked for me. So I was always telling myself, if I found a cookie jar like that in clear glass, I was totally going to pick it up. And this week, I finally found one, you guys. I'm so excited. I don't know if you can really see the design on it, but it's got a fun little design on it. It's got the nice little heavy seal on the top and a nice big handle. So I'm super excited to have found this, and for only $4.99. I thought that was a really good price. And I have looked this over. It has no chips on it or anything like that. So I'm super excited to get this cleaned up and do a little baking and fill it up with some cookies. So I'm thrilled to have found one finally. It makes me so excited and makes me want to go do some more thrifting, because finds like that just energize you. So that is what I found this week at the thrift store. I hope you guys had luck this week as well when you were out and about thrifting in your neck of the woods. I would love to know down in the comments what you picked up. And of course, if you didn't make it to the thrift store, which of the items this week is your personal favorite of what I found. So leave me a comment down below. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, I would love it if you would hit that thumbs up for me. That would help out my channel immensely. All right, my friends, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.